All right, well, we have heard for a long time that interest rates are at near record lows and the home market is still soaring for those looking to sell.
Yeah, it's remained hot, but the low rates are just really the first step. Who you go to for that mortgage is the next important step. We're joined by David from Hall Financial this morning to learn more. Good morning, David.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you guys?
We're fantastic. Thank you so much. Happy Monday to you.
Yeah, same to you.
Now, I've been seeing your commercials on our channel, and I got to be honest, I haven't had the time to sit down and break it down and pay attention. So I'm so happy that we have you this morning, because I just saw you this morning. So you're Michigan's mortgage company. You're local, committed back to the community. But why? What are some of the reasons people choose Hall?
Well, I think a couple of things. The first thing is, our whole focus is about client service. So we are completely focused on getting a 5-star review from each and every client. That's like our guiding light. And so if you know anything about the mortgage business, it can take 30, 45, 60 days. We've tried to revolutionize all that. And right now, over half of our loans are ready to close in 9 business days or less. So we've taken what's usually a very long process, tried to shorten it up, and then create sort of this 5-star experience for the client where they have a lot of touch points, a lot of communication. We want to get them in and out quickly, and then we follow up with them over the life of their loan. So we're all about client service, which is a little different than what's traditional in this business. It's been really rewarding.
Yeah, you kind of take out the hurry up and wait when it comes to the whole mortgage process.
Yeah. And being in this business for over 25 years, those are the complaints of most consumers. So we've got a very experienced team. We've taken into account all the things that we've heard over the years and created something that we think is better. So we made it a company mission that by the end of 2022, we wanted to have 10,000 5-star reviews. And as you know, it's not easy to get consumers or clients to go to the web and rave about your company. To just get a handful of those, much less 10,000. So it takes a lot to do that, and we're really proud of that. And that's the only thing we really focus on, really, is the experience of the client when they come to Hall. We're not really focused on anything else. We either get a 5-star review or we didn't, and it's that simple. So we feel like that simplicity internally really makes for a great experience that's different. And we've got all these amazing reviews where people will use words like phenomenal, amazing, I can't believe this, I've done this 5 times and this was nothing what that was like. So that's really gratifying for us, and that's the only thing we really focus on.
And the low interest rates, as we mentioned, are everywhere. Everyone is pretty aware that the rates are low. You guys do more than just when you help with the mortgage. You guys connect people with realtors as well.
Yeah, this interest rate environment is fueling not only folks to lower their payment by refinancing, but also the entire housing market, because people know that they can either get that same house for a little less money than they normally could, or they can get a little more house for the amount that they wanted to spend. So low interest rates fuel a lot of activity. I think that, what's going on right now, it's a market where renters can look at buying and homeowners need to look at refinancing. And when it comes to, shopping for a home, really your first call should be to a lender like Hall Financial, because we can set you up with an expert realtor in your area. We've been around for a long time, and that's one of the things that we provide to our clients is access to talk to a couple of realtors in their area that are experts, because a lot of folks don't even know where to start, and that's why we say call Hall first.
Absolutely. A lot of people might think, hey, call a realtor when you're looking to sell, but calling that mortgage lender, they can hook you up with the realtor.
Indeed.
And you save yourself some time. Speaking of saving time, closing over half your loans in 9 business days or less.
That's crazy.
There's the headline. Don't bury that one. I mean, people are looking to save that time. Thank you so much for your time today, David, and telling us more about Hall Financial. We would encourage our viewers to check them out. CallHallFirst.com is the website you can go to for more information, or just call 616-900-9898.